Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Reika, and if you are returning, you know I love you guys so much. So in this video, we are going to be using everything Bobbi Brown. So this is going to be a full face, only using Bobbi Brown products. To moisturize the skin, we're going to take the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Gel Cream. This is pretty much a lightweight water-based moisturizer. It feels really good on the skin and it helps with your oils as well. And then to move on to primer, we're going to use the Skin Smoothing Pore Perfector. Every single product that we're using in today's video is a Bobbi Brown product, so I'm not going to say, oh, it's Bobbi Brown. Just know it is Bobbi Brown. I love this primer because it just smooths out my skin, especially when I have breakouts like I do right now. Moving on to our foundation. This is my go-to everyday foundation, especially when I'm heading into work. It is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. This foundation I did a full review on, so I will leave that link down below in the description box if you guys did want to take a look. Moving on to concealer, I am taking our newest concealer, which is our Instant Full Coverage Concealer, aka Better Than Sleep. You can definitely see the banner in the background. This is in the shade Honey. I love the texture of this. This is a corrector and a concealer in one, and if you didn't want to set it, you don't have to, but since I am an oily girl, I set everything. This concealer you can wear up to 12 hours. It doesn't last 12 hours on me, but hey, if I had dry skin, maybe, but with my oily skin, it does not. But it just covers up everything on the face, and it is 100% full coverage, so the claim is definitely true. And I do go overboard with the concealer. I just do that with all my concealers. I go overboard with all my products. Literally, I do. But with this one, a little bit does go a long way. So just keep that in mind when you are using it. To set that concealer, I'm just going to take our Retouching Loose Powder in the shade Peach. This pretty much just smooths the skin out and just blurs everything. It just looks really, really airbrushed. To set my entire face, I'm going to take our sheer pressed powder in the shade Golden Brown, and then moving on to bronzer, I'm going to bronze up my skin with the deep bronzer. I love this bronzer because it has that perfect warm tone for me. I don't really like cool tone bronzers. It's just a no-go. I don't like cool tones anything at all. Ugh, I'm such a warm tone girl. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to take Toast and I'm just going to put that as our transition shade. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab our Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade, I can't speak, I'm sorry, in the shade Sand Dune. And I'm just going to place that all over my lid. With this, a little bit does go a long way. I feel like I put on too much and it did start to crease. So just remember, a little goes a long way. But I'm just going to blend this out. And on top of that, I'm going to add the shade Rich Brown and just pack that all over my lid, and I'm just going to blend it up into our transition shade. Once I get it to the deep brown shade that I actually like, I am going to go ahead and take our eyeshadow brush and then just blend that a little bit more up into the crease. And I am taking a little bit of the Toast just to blend out the rich brown so the line's not as harsh as it is now. So pretty much just go back and forth, windshield wiper motions to blend. Now I'm going to take our new Sparkle Long Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Rose Quartz. Oh my god, I love these. These are so pretty. You can use them by themselves or you can pack eyeshadow on top just to intensify it a little bit more. But as you can see, you really don't have to. But of course, I'm extra, so I did. Now I'm taking the Luxe Eyeshadow in the shade Moonstone. This eyeshadow is so pretty on top of any other eyeshadow. It just gives you that sparkle that you want, just to be extra. And then now I'm just going to take Rich Brown again and smoke out my bottom lash line just to give us this smoky kind of look. Now I'm going to take my favorite black eyeliner, which is Jet. It's like a gel eyeliner, so it just glides on so smoothly, and I'm going to tight line the top of my eye. Onto highlighter, I'm going to take our Tawny Glow highlighter and just highlight the highest points of our cheeks. My favorite highlighting powder by us is the Bronze Glow. I love that one. And now I'm just going to take the Shimmer Brick compact in the shade Rose and just add it as a little bit of blush and just to brighten up my highlighter just a tad bit more. And then for blush, I'm going to take the shade Plum. I love our blushes. They are so pigmented and so pretty. And for lips, I'm going to take our Luxe Lip Color in the shade Hibiscus. With these lipsticks, all you need is one swipe and you get so much pigment and they're extremely creamy. I love them, and now I'm about to be hella extra. Just wait for it. So if you guys don't know, at Bobbi Brown we have this thing called All Over Glow, which is this little guy right here. I absolutely love this. It is pretty much a dupe for the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Body Lava. So just look. Okay. Look at that shoulder glow. Okay, so that's highlighted. That's not highlighted. Highlighted. Not highlighted.